the average kilowatt demand, and the load factor, right? Okay, maximum demand, average demand, load factor. Those are individual descriptions of ang loads. When it comes to the distribution transformer, pwede natin i-describe ang ato ang loading sa transformer. Depende sa iyang diversified demand. So out from diversified demand, we can get the maximum diversified demand, the average diversified demand also, and as well as the load duration curve, the non-coincident demand, simply sum all the individual maximum demand of the connected loads of the distribution transformer. And we also have the diversity factor. So it is derived from the non-coincident over the maximum diversified demand. And we are able to come up with a diversity factor table that could describe the generally sa DTs of the distribution utility, no? And we observe that the diversity factor will always approach 3.2 value. So aside from that, we have a demand factor that will describe the total connected, the ratio of the total connected load over the and the maximum demand, no? Depending on the load, individual load, pwede siya ma-associate ito sa individual load. Utilization factor is how you utilize the DT with reference sa iyang maximum demand and its ratings. And diversity is computed as the difference between non-coincident and diversified demand. Now let's go to the feeder load. So feeder load, these are the primary lines of the distribution. No? It's the main primary lines of the distribution utility to distribute energy on this served area or in the connected customers. So along this feeder, we have a lot of feeder load is three-phase, or primary lines is three-phase. But individually, the loads can be connected through a single phase or a double phase na the distribution transformer. So as you notice that the feeder load, aggregated na siya na combined load sa transformer, nakalap na siya sa feeder, no? And basically, if you take a look at sa load curve in the point of view sa feeder, it displays a smooth transition sa time interval sa tuwang load, no? It does not display abrupt changes. Unlike sa individual load, we have a lot of jumps or spikes sa tuwang loads. So, just like the Mindanao load curve, no, you notice smooth ang atuang presentation sa tuwang. So again, the feeder load does not mean or depending sa different type of feeder, no. If the feeder is serving a residential area, so those this could describe probably residential consumption, generalized niya nga consumption. But if the feeder serves, aside from the residential, commercial, and industrial, small industrial plants, so it's aggregated na siya. So lisod kayo siya i-disaggregate. Anyway, if you're interested to study on the load curve, on the load, so pag-breakdown niya, asa ang residential na portion, asa ang commercial na portion, asa ang industrial portion. I think you need a lot more of, aside from the feeder data, you need to have the data on the load level para ma-disaggregate mo na siya. Okay, so feeder load ay nandiyan na itong purpose kung na tayo feeder load. In analysis na dayon, pwede natin na siya i-gamiton as the load allocation. Diba, mag-conduct ng tao power flow. Do you remember power flow in the power system analysis 1?
Yes, sir.
The PSA 1, if you have the load condition, naamoy generator, lines, load. Kanang load condition niya, that's one scenario lang. But in the feeder load, it's still the same, no? One scenario lang siya, pero we consider the maximum level or the critical condition of the distribution system. So, how do we allocate loads or the demands of the each points or for example sa feeder distribution transformer? So, we use the load allocation calculation. So, sa load allocation na pag-calculate, we have 4 different methods. But actually, ma-reduce niya siya into 2 parts. And mas sayon siya, dali na rin siya masaktan. No? Okay. So, number 1 na method pag-derive sa load allocation is through diversity factor. By the way, wala ka discuss na rin, no?
Wala pa, sir.
Wala pa. I think nasa section 2 to na ako na-discuss. So, diversity factor, gamitin na to siya kung na-exist ang diversity table, then we can derive sa ito ang diversity or the maximum allocation or the allocation kilowatt per DT. Okay? So, kung naka-information of the non-coincident demand and the number of connected customers sa imong kada distribution transformer, then you can get the maximum or the allocated load for the each transformer. So may tabo, ma-reduce na to ang model into a single line diagram. Ang load na portions is DPs na lang. Another one is we can conduct a load survey. So ang purpose ng ginagawa is to come up with the load level sa tuwang DPs. Diba, wala pa tayo information na we have the energy bill sa tuwang mga sa tuwang individual house, no? Na tayo energy bill. But on the distribution utility nga side, although nanana siya sa SCADA, katong prior pa sa SCADA, so nila ginabuhat through this method, no, load allocation computations. Okay, kung nanay SCADA, so kato nang ma-generate na nila ang maximum value sa load level sa atong DPs, then the analysis will become easier, no? Okay, the load survey. So another method is to conduct load survey. So ang buhatan lang sa load survey is to get the maximum demand for every individual customers. How do we do this? Through metering or the knowledge of the kilowatt hour consumed by the customer. Ang kilowatt hour, ma-derive na to na siya sa tuwang energy bill. Kada bulan, di ba, mag-receive ng tawag electricity bill na to. So, ma-derive na kita na to ang sa tuwang kilowatt hour consumption. Pila yung kilowatt hour consumption? 120. Pila yung 1,000 na?
60.
Kilowatt hour ha, dapat kabalong mo sa pag-derive ng kilowatt hour ha, previous bill, present bill minus previous bill. So kaya accumulate kung nato ang energy meter. So magkadako gina siya top of the previous bill, previous reading, nag-increase na siya pero sa imong energy nga consumption sa imong balay. So mo nang natay factor nga present reading minus previous reading. So in between na mo nang imong energy nga na-consume sa kabulan. So if you have around 120 kilowatt hour, think naman siguro may aircon na, no? 120 nami last time na mo suga, aircon, electric fan, rice cooker.
Then 120?
estimate na ninyo yung electric bill. So, as awareness po no, sa inyong energy consumption, you have to know kung sa pila inyong energy consumption per month. Okay, kita po na ninyo sa inyong bill, ang inyong historical ninyong previous, I think, the previous 12 months na energy bill, nasa flat sa kilid. To give you an example, na niyang itsura sa ito ang ay na lang, sa USTP, sa
Pinta kapin lang.
830 kilowatt hour. Ayan, kilowatts ang iyang maximum demand, ang average demand, pero ang iyang kilowatt hour is around 1 million kilowatt hour. Or 1,000 kilowatt.
Monthly bill din sa USTP. Pila yung monthly bill sa USTP call? Sir.
Monthly bill sa USTP? Tumal. At nga yung tigbayan.
Kadamog mo story ang akon.
About million up to mo reach kay siya 3 million. Ang total kilowatt hour ni STP is around 100, mo play around 150,000 to 200,000 kilowatt hour.
Yeah.
So, I think may improve pa ni once you implement ini energy efficiency or conservation, pero hindi pa kaya na siya impose kayo na kung tayo pang-isi sa school.
Askim.
Kamu pataka na mo charge.
Oy.
Sa mga master charge.
Ano ka lagi pala ng kwan?
Ang katumbit mo.
Paano na outlet ito?
Palong sir.
Nakapag-wait sir, palong. Ano kayo patagal church?
Doon kasi kontrol na murag ang utility na kining utility na madapit sa elevator ba?
Oh my
Kaya
God.
kaya lang mga anak ay na. Narang ko ang internet dyan pero makakonect mo sa internet.
Yes sir.
Bahay ka.
Sahay.
Dato mo, hindi mo kailangan printer na
Siyempre, hangman po sir.
Okay, gamay.
Pero pa prevention month nakaroon na so
Ano yan, dog man sir, no?
sir. Wala pa yung feedback ng online BP.
Cool.
So nasunog ka rin.
Cool.
So i-inform tayo sa tanang na
Please base ako. Sir. 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 Tawag ka.
ay, kaya mo lang. Ay mo din yung kuwan ba? Ano yung gikas kamigin? Dili sir. Kini may gikas kamigin? Dili po sir. Kaya may plano sila tawaran balik mo sa kamigin ba? Pero kini gamit.
Nara sa kamigin sir, ay susunod ko.
Wala din gamit. Solar siya pa brand.
Dili pa.
Smart grid na solar. Iba na ka.
Control pa.
Ano na to?
Material.
Pa-hilab ni First sa kamigin.
Tanan gikan dito. Dira.